I am currently at Townsend University, and it has reminded me of something that I wanted to talk about with you guys. My eyelashes are wonky. It's because I fell asleep in the car. Anyways, real talk. Sometimes I feel like every decision that I make is wrong. It doesn't matter how long I think about the decision. It doesn't matter if I change my mind at the last moment. Somehow, it's always the wrong answer. Like when it comes to my life, I always seem to regret it. And I used to feel like that was all on me. Like, it's just because I made one bad decision when I was sitting around thinking for forever about it. And now my life is where it is, which is true. Everything that we do does reflect back on us and makes us who we are. But this was like a little bit more extreme. Basically, I got to a point where I was afraid to make any decision or to do anything because I was like, well, it's going to be the wrong decision. And that was also the wrong decision. Sitting around and doing nothing is also a decision. And so here I am, regretting most of my life choices. Let me just tell you how this started, where it stemmed from. Basically, oh my goodness, go down, eyelash. Okay. So driving through Townsend University, and it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. I never looked at this university before I went. I only really looked at one, and I thought this was the one time that I had made a decision I'm gonna stick by it, whether I hate it or not. This is what I wanted to do. I made my mind and I stuck by it. Whether that was a good idea or not is still up for debate. But I do realize that at some point you have to just be okay. Both are probably going to be messed up in some way. You can't really linger and harbor resentment for things that you don't know anything about, because the grass always seems greener on the other side. We were driving around, saw some beautiful dorms. I saw some really cute areas, and it's huge. And I'm like, this is the complete opposite of my school experience. I was like, wow, I kind of missed out on everything. Like, I didn't get prom. I didn't really get the senior year experience. I didn't really have many friends in high school, and I went to 3 different high schools, and there's only 4 years in high school, so I never really had roots anywhere, and I didn't even know how to get to that level. I don't know how to break up with friends and then get back together. I break up with friends and then I never see them again. It's just a completely different thing. I did my first semester of college online, went there, and that's a whole another story for another day. But at the time, part of me loved it. Kinda. I had to because I stayed. And so going through here and seeing all of this, it's like, wow, this could have been so cute. I could have lived a little dream. I probably would have actually finished college. But there's a lot of ifs in life. There's a lot of what ifs, but you never really know. I don't know what I'm even expecting. I could have had that experience and I could have hated it, because I am a completely different person than I was at 18 when I went to school. I just wanted to have this little talk to you and say that these are normal feelings. Everybody has their what ifs, and that's also a part of life. Pushing through and just deciding, fuck it. It's fine, we're fine where we are. Things work out the way they should. For me, especially, things always work out the way they should. And sometimes you just have to let things go. You have to let go of what ifs so that you can be happy, live in the present, not in the past or in the future, even though it's good to think about the future. The past is the past for a reason. And something that I learned a long time ago is that people don't know about your past unless you tell them about it. All that you have to worry about is your present and making your future great. But you have to be in the present to do that. All right. That is me calming down myself from today's existential crisis. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment some things that you thought you regretted, and subscribe. Bye.